No, wait a minute. It's plastic pollution.
Plastic pollution is one of the major environmental crises that we are currently facing.
Plastic pollution? Then what is it?
Plastic pollution is the accumulation of harmful plastic waste in the soil, water bodies and much more, causing soil pollution, water pollution, etc.
Yes, which then has adverse effects on all living organisms, including humans.
But how does it affect us or any organisms?
Well, imagine a sea turtle swimming in the water in search of food. Suddenly, it sees a transparent blob of a substance floating on the water. The turtle thinks that it is a jellyfish and goes to eat it. Little did the turtle know, it isn't a jellyfish, it was plastic discarded by humans and now it has made its way into the oceans.
This plastic could take aquatic animals very soon. Billions of marine animals are killed due to consumption of plastic waste every year.
Not just marine animals. Did you know that plastic has been found in the stomachs of many land animals as well? And scientists have found microplastics in more than 140 marine species. These in turn enter our body when we eat these marine organisms.
What are microplastics?
When plastic is discarded, it keeps breaking down into smaller and smaller particles due to UV rays. These particles keep floating on the water bodies and are easily eaten up by marine organisms. These in turn enter our body when we eat marine organisms like fish.
Microplastics have also been found in majority of the world's tap water. Sadly, we humans are responsible for this plastic pollution.
But not all plastics are bad, right? Some are very good and useful too.
Yes, plastic has revolutionized medicine with life-saving equipment like disposable syringes, airbags in cars, protective gear like helmets, packing materials, etc.
Plastic has become an integral part of our life and it may be difficult to ban its use completely. The key to solving this problem is how we dispose it.
Many times we end up throwing all away after one use. Such plastics are called single-use plastic. It makes up more than 40% of the plastic trash.
This short-lived use of millions of plastics is simply unsustainable and dangerous for our planet as a whole.
But how do we solve this problem?
Believe me or not, that the solution to this begins with you and you only.
Exactly. The first step is to refuse buying or using single-use plastic like straws, plastic plates, cups, carry bags, etc. If you need to use it, make sure you never leave it in public places like in the garden or beach.
This is because the trash on the ground often flows into rivers and creeks and blocks the drainage of rainwater and finally making its way into the ocean.
Carry your own water bottle that can be refilled to avoid buying packaged drinking water. Buy food from local vendors with less plastic packaging. Also, remember to carry your own shopping bag when you go shopping to avoid bringing back home more plastic bags. Avoid using plastic containers for storage or keeping food. Instead, use steel or glass containers that can be washed and used again.
Do not burn plastic as it can cause lung disease like cancer and asthma.
These small steps can make a big difference and help in solving plastic pollution.
The theme for this year's Earth Day celebration is Planet vs. Plastic. As we celebrate Earth Day today, it encourages us to think about the grave environmental dangers we face due to plastic and how we should resolve them.
If we want cleaner air to breathe, safer water to drink, and land capable for growing crops, we need to save the environment from plastic pollution by controlling its use.
So let us take steps to make this earth a better place to live. It's our responsibility. So let's cherish and protect it.
versus plastic. Our planet is beautiful and so very clean, with creatures and plants you've never seen. But there is something we must prevent. Plastic pollution is everywhere. Strewn plastic bags, bottles and toys. These make our planet lose its joy. It harms animals, both big and small, and affects the air that's freshly given to all. For the future generations, it's time we get a plastic-free future we can all share. A world without plastic, let our motto be. A beautiful world for both you and me. Thank you.